wish my baby was there. And sitting there on her papa's knee, I ain't not saying, or I never will be, till the pink blossom grows on the sour apple tree. Mama, mama, won't you tell me, who is the man under the sour apple tree? He's been standing there all day. This is all I heard him say to me. I wish my Perry was here and sitting there on her papa's knees. I ain't no saint, or I never will be, till the pink blossom grows on the sour apple tree. Oh, come now, my child, and don't you worry me. Your dinner is ready, and sorrowing cold, and I've been toiling well day all day. And your dinner is ready, and it's growing cold. So I wish my baby was here and sitting here on her papa's knees. Well, I ain't not saying, and I never will be, till the pink blossom grows on the sour apple tree.